see on how to deal with the equation of circle and see on how to draw or sketch a graph of it. Okay, circles, the equation of circles can be written as, so let me write it here, circle can be written as equation of x minus with h to the power of 2 plus with y minus with k to the power of 2 equals to r to the power of 2, or r squared, where the value of h and k will represent a coordinate of a center of the circle, and the value of r is equals to the radius of circle. So you need to know what is the value of h and k so that we can start to draw or to sketch the graph later. Okay, let us see the example on how to deal with the equation of circle here. Okay, let us see here. Let's say we are dealing with this kind of question where in this question we are looking for center and radius of the circle. So in order for us to solve this part, we are going to change everything into the equation of x minus h to the power of 2 plus with y minus k to the power of 2, it's supposed to be plus, power of 2 equals to r power of 2. So we are going to convert this kind of equation to this part. So in order to do this, we are going to deal with what we call as a CTSM or CTS, completing the square method. So here, in order for us to do that, what we are going to do now is we are going to regroup the x variables together. So basically we are going to group this part and y variables another group, and the things without a number here, basically we can try to solve it, which is plus 10 minus 10, we are supposed to get 0 for it. So for both of it, because plus 10 minus with 10, you are going to get 0. So here we are going to write again x squared plus with 2x. So here is one group, and then we are going to plus it with another group, which is y squared minus with 6y equals to 0. So in this case, we are going to deal with two groups, and here we are going to do the completing the square for both of it. So let us start with the first one. So here, since the coefficient of x is already 1 here, so immediately we can start with completing the square. So you are going to get here x squared plus with 2x plus with 2 divided by 2 power of 2 minus with 2 divided by 2 power of 2. So this is how you deal with a completing square for the x variables. Then let us look into another part here, where we are going to get y squared minus with 6y. So the value of your b now is negative 6. So you are going to plus it with the negative 6 divided by 2 power of 2 plus with negative 6 divided by 2 to the power of 2. So like I already told you in the lab session yesterday, so basically we are going to deal with the first three and the first three here, so it still equals to 0, and with this value we are going to total it up and then bring it to the other side. So now let us look into this part. So you are going to get here the value of x squared plus with 2 plus with 1 power of 2, so it will be, so this is 2x plus with 1, so the first three. So minus 1 power of 2, so it will be minus with 1 plus with, okay, the first three here you are going to get y squared minus 6y negative 6 divided by 2 will be negative 3 power of 2, it will be a positive 9. So here it will be still positive 9 positive, so it will be plus another 9 there. So this is our group and it is equals to 0. So now we are going to look into this part. So minus 1 plus with 9, so you are supposed to get positive 8. Is it alright? And then okay, let me continue on this part. So I think I make a mistake here. This is supposed to be a minus, so this part is also supposed to be minus on this. So minus and minus, so it's supposed to be minus 10, bring it to the other side, so you are going to get, it is supposed to be equals to positive 10. And for this part, let us try to factor it out. So you are going to get here x plus 1 power of 2 plus with, okay, this part if we try to factor it out, you are going to get factorize it, plus and minus, you are supposed to get minus, so square root of 3 is square root of 9 supposed to be 3 power of 2. Okay, so this is the equation of your circle basically. So if you compare, the value of x is supposed to be the same as x here, x. The value of h now is equals to 1, y equals to y here, positive is still positive here, okay, good. Negative k is equals to negative 3. So here we can say that by comparison, the value of h and k, let me use another pen for this part. So here negative h is equals to positive 1, so h will be equals to negative 1, and the value of your k is supposed to be negative k is equals to negative 3, so here it will be 3. So this is your center, and the value of your radius is supposed to be r squared. This is r squared, so here you get 10. So r squared is equals to 10, so bring 2 power of 2 to the other side, become r square root of 10. So the value of your radius is square root of 10. So this is the value of your radius and this is the center, because the question don't ask you to sketch, so it's enough for you to just finding the value, or otherwise you need to sketch for the graph. Okay, let's go for another example of this.